And you'll need an umbrella to get you through the second half of your day, I think, today. The morning looks dry. You can get the lawn mowed and the dog walked and that kind of stuff done. And by afternoon, we will see some changes. 45 now in Liberty, 44 in Olathe, 44 in Sedalia. We're looking for a mostly dry midday for recess. And if you'd like to take a walk on your lunch hour, I think you'll be able to get that done too. Jackets and umbrellas, though, anytime after about 3 o'clock. This afternoon, and that's when this slight risk of severe weather that we are under will go into effect. Would be after 3 till about 8 or 9, mainly for hail is the main potential threat for our area. Not baseball size hail, the kind of marginally severe size. Could still ding up the car, but just so we know what we're talking about. All right, here's your Easter in the 60s. Sunrise at 6:30, it'll be in the 40s, and we could have some showers, so could be a little soggy for late day Easter bunnies on Easter Sunday. Here's Future Scan, 4 o'clock this afternoon, rain not quite here. By 6 o'clock, the rain is here, maybe some rumbles of thunder, maybe some small hail interfering with that afternoon rush hour and the start of the Royals game. By 10, 11 o'clock, though, we get into a soaking in period. This may be what helps us in terms of the flooding threat, because we could pick up in the area anywhere from a ½ inch to an inch, inch and a half of rain over the next 36 hours or so. But we get these breaks, like from about 10, 11 o'clock tonight until 3 or 4 in the morning, where stuff could soak in. And then at about 4 o'clock, another line of strong storms, maybe some small hail, certainly some heavy downpours that could linger into your morning rush hour tomorrow. Excuse me. And then that moves out, and we get another kind of soaking in period before the cold front sweeps through here. And there it is. It doesn't really get its act together. Sedalia, about 4 o'clock, you might have a fast-moving thunder shower, but it really doesn't get its act together until it has moved well east of the metro as far as severe weather threat for tomorrow appears to be shifting to the east. Then this shower activity possible again as we head into Monday. We could have another line of pretty strong storms. All right, 70% chance of that rain later today, tonight, 50-50 tomorrow morning, 50-50 Easter afternoon. 50 degrees today, 62 tomorrow. 60 on Saturday, kind of cool on Saturday, 65 for Easter Sunday. A little warmer, a little stormier on Monday of next week, and then mid-60s middle of next week. You know, if we get just a little bit of sunshine midday today, you could actually maybe get to the mid-50s. But we're going to probably stall out around 50 or so.